as somebody who can't do a walking tour, a bus tour was really good for me. So I got to see a lot of London that I don't normally get to see. It was a really amazing tour, very knowledgeable. I learned a lot about the Black history, both the modern history and the history going back.
Oh, it was very informative. It's amazing how the streets of London are just rich with African and Caribbean history.
Incredibly informative. The amount of information, I mean, it really is non-stop information on, I suppose, landmarks that you don't realise are landmarks, especially connected to African presence and African history in London. The information is priceless, so go get your ticket, get on the tour.